Hello and welcome. You are now looking at youtube.com and you were looking at a whiteboard animated video. And in this course, we're going to be discussing a process for you to be able to create your own whiteboard videos, regardless of which kind of software or particular service that you use. For example, there are some who use the service Powtoons, which creates animated whiteboard videos and presentations. Others use Sparkol, which strictly creates whiteboard videos. Others use sites like Goanimate, animatron, and even some use the desktop program Techsmith Camtasia. Others use desktop programs like VideomakerFX, which is strictly made to create animation videos, as well as easysketchpro, which is again a program that you would have on your desktop. Now you'll need a couple of tools in order to make this work. You'll need some kind of presentation software, and if you don't have one that you own like PowerPoint, you can use Google Slides as long as you have an internet connection. You'll also need the ability to create and produce audio on your personal computer. If you don't have a microphone or headset, there are very inexpensive options available, such as the Plantronics Audio 355, which plugs into your stereo jack so that you don't have to take up any of your USB ports. Now, although the process is going to be the same for most, if not all, video creators that we're going to take you through in this course, we're going to focus on using Sparkol, which is whiteboard videos. And once again, the process that leads to Sparkol is what you want to focus on, because you will be able to take that process and you'll be able to use it regardless of what your video creator is. We will just focus on using this program so that you'll be able to see, so that you'll be able to determine the steps for your video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.